Sa pagdalo ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. sa ika-77 taong anibersaryo ng Philippine Air Force, tiniyak na ang patuloy na pagpapalakas ng kakayahan ng hukbong sandata ng Pilipinas sa pagprotekta sa mga teritoryo at pagtugon sa mga hamong pang-seguridad. Yan ang ulat ni Alan Francisco.
Sa pagdiriwang na ika-77 taong pagkakatatag o anibersaryo ng Philippine Air Force kanina sa Cesar Basa Air Base sa Florida Blanca, Pampanga, ipresenta nila kay Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang kanilang mga sakyan at kagamitan na kanilang pagaganahin sakaling atake ng bansa ng puwersa ng kaaway.
Resupply for our soldiers.
And now the helicopter is establishing a stable hover.
Descend rapidly using the fast road. Demonstrating speed and control, we can see that the troops are exiting the helicopters individually. Now our ground troops, Special Operations Team 1 are approaching the enemy encampment.
Binigyang diin ni Pangulong Marcos ang suporta ng gobyerno sa pagpapaunlad ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, tulad ng tuloy-tuloy na pagbili ng dagdag na mga air assets, pagpapaigting ng cyber warfare communication systems at marami pang iba.
We have likewise acquired additional aircraft as well as advanced radar systems, which have transformed our operational readiness and has enhanced our operational reach. Indeed, these assets contribute to an agile Air Force, capable of protecting our nation, our people, and our resources, and dedicated to ensure that we are ready to face challenges with advanced precision, speed, and force.
Kinilala rin ni Pangulong Marcos ang katapangan ng mga kasapi ng Philippine Air Force.
As your Commander-in-Chief, I assure you of this administration's support in prioritizing your welfare, ensuring that you are all well attended to in terms of overall health and wellness, so you may perform your duties effectively and safely. Let it be known that your unparalleled dedication and noble duty to our nation are hereby recognized.
Aniya, sama-sama nga abutin ng bansa ang mas pinalakas na Air Force at AFP na magiging instrumento ng kapayapaan at pagkakaisa para sa nation building.
Likewise supported internal security operations, which have resulted in the surrender and neutralization of over 250 members of local insurgency groups. We have also heightened our international defense and security engagements by sustaining our talks with our foreign military counterparts and participating in multiple bilateral and multilateral military exercises.
Hinikayat ng punong ehekutibo ang Philippine Air Force sa pagsulong kaakibat ang hangarin ng isang bagong Pilipinas na may misyong protektahan ang teritoryo ng bansa at pagsilbihan ang sambayanang Pilipino. Mula rito sa Florida Blanca sa Pampanga, Alan Francisco para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.